everyone, I'm Sophia. Welcome to Honscn Processing. Today I'm going to quickly answer some common questions about CNC machining to help you better understand this field. Get your notes ready and let's get started. Question 1. What file format and design do you need? We prefer STEP, IGES, XT format that keep the data accurate. Also, please include key tolerance, self-finishing, material details in your design file. This will help me to meet your machining needs better. Question 2. How to choose CNC materials? When you choose materials, it depends on your part needs. If your parts need high stressing and lightweight material, you can choose aluminum and titanium. It's better. If you need corrosion and resistant materials, stainless steel is your better choice. Insulation or temperature resistant materials, PEEK or ceramic, will be more suitable. For high hardness requirements, hardened steel are common choice. For extremely high hardness, diamond can be considered. Aluminium alloy is recommended for lightweight materials, while stainless steel and nickel-raced alloy is for high-stressed, wear-resistant materials. Question 3. Why is the unit price of small batch orders higher? Small orders cost more because they include fixture design and process setup, which can't be spread out for fewer parts. If you order more than 100 pieces, we will give you best discount up to 60%. Question 4. Can you meet 0.05 mm tolerance? Absolutely. Under ISO 2768, precision grade allows 0.05 mm for size 0.5 to 3 mm and 3 to 6 mm. We can use high precision equipment and strict quality control to meet this.